Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle, it will be super helpful video to you today guys. If your brake lights, stop lights do not work guys when you press the brake pedal, stay with us, we'll explain what can cause that today. We'll cover guys top 3 reasons for that. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this Ford and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So we'll demonstrate guys how the brake stop lights do not work on this Ford now. We'll get inside, we're going to turn the ignition switch on. Okay, we'll press the brake pedal all the way and we'll see if the brakes will work or not. Okay, check it out now. Ignition on, brake. Okay, brake all the way, perfect. Now let's see here. Third brake light doesn't work, outside brake lights do not work. This is just the tail lights because we have the door open. So as you can see guys, brakes do not work. So let's go ahead, turn the ignition switch off guys, and I'll explain now, okay, what can cause that now. First, you guys have, okay, a fuse on pretty much any Ford, not all of them, but most of them, that says brake lights, stop lights, or brake light switch fuse guys, also known as brake light switch fuse. Check this thing out. If it doesn't, okay, the fuse is good, you guys, there is no way that you have 3 bulbs that are bad on each side and 1 in the middle. It's almost impossible. Practically it could happen, but not very often. If guys the fuse is good, bulbs are good, okay, what else could be the reason for that? You guys have a thing, okay, let me grab the new one quick to show you. A device that's called brake light switch that activates the brake lights. This is the one that deactivates the cruise control too. It's located on top of the brake pedal. We'll show you in a second guys, and that device could be bad. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test those, so check it out if you need help. How to test brake light switch, or how to know if brake light switch is bad, working, good. Check it out guys, the video is on the channel. So in our case it was a brake light switch. We'll go ahead, replace it with a new one, and we'll see if it works. Now, if you need parts or tools guys, check out, we'll have the link where we get the parts from. Okay, and you can find the one for your model there as well. So if you come right here next to the brake pedal, really inconvenient place guys. Okay, right here somewhere now, okay, you're going to have a switch, okay, like this one. In most cases on Ford you need to turn it clockwise, okay, and it comes out like that. Now I have to disconnect, okay, that wiring harness, so give me a second, I'll do that. You can see that thing on top here, okay, you need to press in and pull it out, but I need both hands to be able to do that. So just excuse me for the shakiness for a second. Okay, I'm still working on it, perfect. Got it loose, now check it out. Okay, I got it out. I'll grab the new switch quick guys. Okay, replace it now. Now need to get it in the slot there. That could be a little bit tricky now guys. Okay, got it first time. Usually I'm not so lucky, I'll be honest with you. Brake light switch is installed. Now we'll go guys outside, okay, and we're going to see now if the brake lights work. Let me grab the light quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and press the brake pedal one more time, okay, and we're going to see if that will take care of that Ford guys, and if the brake stop lights will be working again. So let's turn the ignition switch on, okay, and just press the brake pedal. Perfect. Brake is on. What's happening here? Brakes do work guys. So let's not press now. Press, not press, press. You can see it was bad brake light switch. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.